Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are sharing 10 essential parenting hacks for busy moms and dads. We understand the challenges of balancing work, household tasks, and parenting. So, we have gathered some practical tips to help make your life a little easier. Let's get started. Hack number 1. Create a weekly schedule. Plan out your family activities, appointments, and tasks for the week ahead. This helps you stay organized and ensures that nothing important slips through the cracks. Hack number 2. Meal preparation like a pro. Spend some time on the weekend to prepare and portion meals for the week. This saves time and helps you provide nutritious meals for your family. Hack number 3. Involve the kids in household chores. Create a chore chart or a task board and assign age appropriate responsibilities to your children. Not only does this lighten your load, but it also teaches them important life skills. Hack number 4. Create a drop zone. Designate a specific area near your entrance for keys, wallets, and other essentials. This way, you will always know where to find them when you are rushing out the door. Hack number 5. Sync your calendars, whether it's a physical family calendar or a shared digital calendar. Make sure everyone is on the same page. This avoids scheduling conflicts and helps everyone stay organized. Hack number 6. Tame the toy chaos. Use baskets or bins to organize your child's toys. Label them accordingly, making it easier for your little one to find and put away their playthings. Hack number 7. Embrace baby wearing. Invest in a comfortable baby carrier or backpack. This allows you to keep your little one close while keeping your hands free for other tasks. Hack number 8. Create a study zone. Set up a dedicated area where your child can focus on homework or study. Stock it with supplies and remove distractions to promote a productive learning environment. Hack number 9. Take advantage of delivery services. Save time by using meal delivery services or grocery delivery apps. This way, you can skip the grocery store lines and have more time for family activities. Hack number 10. Practice self-care. As busy parents, it's crucial to prioritize self-care to recharge and take care of yourself. Remember, you can't pour from an empty cup. Take a few moments each day to do something that brings you joy and relaxation. In conclusion, incorporating these 10 essential parenting hacks into your daily life can make a significant difference in managing the busy juggle of parenthood. From creating a schedule to involving your kids in chores, organizing your home, and practicing self care, these hacks are designed to bring more ease, efficiency, and joy to your family life.